Decoding ISF 10+2 for textiles and apparel imports. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the Importer Security Filing ISF 10+2 requirement and its implications for the importation of textiles and apparel. As customs brokers, we understand the unique considerations and compliance requirements for this industry. Join us as we explore ISF 10+2 and its impact on the importation of textiles and apparel. Overview of ISF 10+2. ISF 10+2 is a requirement by the U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) that applies to all importers, including those in the textiles and apparel industry. It involves the submission of 10 data elements by importers and 2 data elements by carriers before the goods are loaded onto a vessel destined for the United States. Compliance with ISF 10+2. Importers of textiles and apparel must comply with ISF 10+2 to ensure the smooth clearance of their goods. Compliance involves submitting accurate and timely information to CBP, abiding by the data submission deadlines, and adhering to customs regulations. Required data elements for ISF 10+2. Importers must provide specific data elements related to their shipments, including seller and buyer information, manufacturer information, harmonized system (HS) codes, and container stuffing location. Carriers are responsible for submitting vessel stow plans and container status messages. Accurate classification of textiles and apparel. Proper classification of textiles and apparel is critical for ISF 10+2 compliance. Importers must classify their products using the appropriate HS codes and provide accurate descriptions to ensure accurate data submission and facilitate risk assessment by CBP. Timely data submission. Timely submission of ISF 10+2 data is crucial for importers of textiles and apparel. Importers must ensure that all required information is submitted at least 24 hours before the goods are loaded onto the vessel to avoid delays or penalties. Collaboration with suppliers and carriers. Importers of textiles and apparel should collaborate closely with their suppliers and carriers to obtain the necessary information for ISF 10+2 compliance. Timely communication and data exchange among all stakeholders in the supply chain are essential to facilitate accurate and timely submissions. Data integrity and quality control. Maintaining data integrity and conducting quality control checks are important for ISF 10+2 compliance. Importers should have robust processes in place to validate the accuracy and completeness of the data provided, minimizing the risk of errors or discrepancies. Compliance with textile labeling requirements. Importers of textiles and apparel must also comply with specific labeling requirements imposed by CBP, as well as other regulatory bodies such as the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. Ensuring accurate and compliant labeling is crucial to meet both ISF 10+2 and labeling requirements. Risk-based assessment by CBP. ISF 10+2 data is used by CBP to conduct risk-based assessments of inbound shipments. The accurate and comprehensive information provided by importers enables CBP to identify potential security risks, target high-risk shipments, and facilitate the timely clearance of low-risk shipments. Impact of non-compliance. Non-compliance with ISF 10+2 requirements can result in penalties, cargo delays, and reputational damage for importers of textiles and apparel. It is vital for importers to understand the importance of compliance and the potential consequences of failing to meet the ISF 10+2 obligations. Ensuring supply chain security. ISF 10+2 is designed to enhance supply chain security for textiles and apparel importation. By providing comprehensive and accurate information, importers contribute to the identification of potential security risks, ensuring the safety and integrity of the supply chain. Collaboration with customs brokers. Working with experienced customs brokers can greatly assist importers in meeting ISF 10+2 requirements. Customs brokers possess in-depth knowledge of customs regulations, data submission processes, and industry-specific considerations, supporting importers in maintaining compliance. Record-keeping and document management. Importers of textiles and apparel should maintain proper record-keeping practices to support their ISF 10+2 compliance. Retaining documentation related to ISF submissions, classification, and other relevant records allows for audit traceability and facilitates ongoing compliance. Awareness of regulatory updates and changes. Importers should stay current with regulatory updates and changes that may impact ISF 10+2 compliance for textiles and apparel. Remaining informed about any modifications to HS codes, labeling requirements, or reporting obligations ensures continued compliance with evolving regulations. Utilizing technology for efficient data submission. Leveraging technology and custom software can streamline the process of ISF 10+2 data submission for textiles and apparel importers. Implementing automated systems for data management and validation helps improve accuracy, efficiency, and compliance. Ongoing training and education. Continuous training and education are essential for importers to stay informed about ISF 10+2 requirements for textiles and apparel. Engaging in industry-specific seminars, webinars, or workshops ensures importers are up to date and well-equipped to meet their compliance obligations. Collaboration with industry associations. Participating in industry associations relevant to textiles and apparel can provide importers with valuable resources and networking opportunities. Associations can offer guidance, share best practices, and facilitate collaboration with other stakeholders in the industry. Collaboration with textile testing laboratories. Importers may collaborate with textile testing laboratories to ensure compliance with regulatory standards for textiles and apparel. Verification and testing of products can help importers meet labeling requirements and provide accurate data for ISF 10+2 submissions. Continuous improvement and risk mitigation. Importers should adopt a continuous improvement mindset to enhance ISF 10+2 compliance for textiles and apparel. Regular risk assessments, internal audits, and process reviews help identify areas of improvement, strengthen compliance efforts, and optimize supply chain management. Thank you for joining us today as we discussed ISF 10+2 and its implications for importers of textiles and apparel. Compliance with ISF 10+2 is vital to ensure the efficient and secure importation of these goods. By understanding the requirements, collaborating with suppliers and carriers, and staying current with customs regulations, importers can maintain compliance and contribute to a robust and compliant supply chain. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on customs brokerage, customs bonds, and international trade. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Thank you, and see you next time.